Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to buy a Dashcam in 2026, choosing the right one can be more challenging than ever. With so many models offering features such as GPS tracking, night vision, parking monitoring, voice control, and high-resolution video recording, finding the perfect option can feel overwhelming. That's why we've put together a list of the 5 best Dashcams with GPS tracking available in 2026. We'll compare their features, performance, reliability, and overall value so you can decide which one is the best fit for your vehicle. Let's get started. Number 5. The 4G LTE Cellular Dashcam with live view and GPS tracking is engineered to transform standard vehicle monitoring into a proactive, round-the-clock car security ecosystem. Designed primarily to combat hit-and-runs, vandalism, and theft, its key strength lies in its 4G LTE integration, which bridges the gap between local loop recording and immediate smartphone connectivity. Equipped with dual lenses to capture both exterior road conditions and interior cabin space, it boasts a sophisticated sensor suite, including real-time GPS tracking, a G-sensor for impact detection, and advanced radar motion detection that filters out false triggers while parked. In terms of performance, the camera shines in real-life scenarios. While basic dashcams only log footage locally during a break-in or parking incident, this unit actively pushes instantaneous real-time alerts to your mobile device, activates live view streaming, and backs up event clips directly to the cloud. Build quality feels sturdy and heat-resistant, crucial for high-sun windshield placement, and setup is remarkably easy thanks to straightforward app pairing and standard OBD2 or hardwire power delivery for continuous 24/7 parking surveillance. A unique design highlight is its subtle dual-lens architecture paired with two-way audio, enabling drivers to remotely communicate through the unit to deter potential vandals before damage occurs. When compared to Wi-Fi-only competitors like standard Thinkware or Nextbase entry models, which require proximity to download footage, this 4G system provides true remote accessibility anywhere cellular coverage exists. Though it incurs an ongoing data plan cost, it offers stellar value for money by delivering peace of mind that offline models simply cannot match. Overall, this device is ideal for rideshare drivers, fleet managers, teen vehicle monitors, and urban car owners parked in high-risk areas. I highly recommend it for anyone seeking comprehensive, proactive vehicle security rather than a passive accident recorder. Number 4. This 3-channel 2.5K plus 1080p plus 1080p Dashcam delivers total vehicular surveillance by simultaneously monitoring the road ahead, the cabin interior, and the area behind your vehicle. Designed specifically to solve passenger disputes, document rear-end collisions, and deter cabin theft, it stands out with high-resolution 2.5K front capture alongside dual 1080p interior and rear lenses. Key features include 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for rapid video downloads via smartphone, infrared IR night vision for clear cabin recording in pitch darkness, and a 24-hour parking monitor backed by G-sensor collision detection. In real-world performance tests, the system excels at night. The interior camera uses stealthy IR LEDs to keep passengers clearly visible without emitting visible glare, while the 5.8 GHz connection transfers large 2.5K video clips to your phone, significantly faster than traditional 2.4 GHz dashcams. Build quality is solid, featuring a heat-resistant housing suited for windshield mounting, an intuitive multi-button interface, and seamless plug-and-play installation, enhanced by an included 64GB memory card out of the box. Its primary design highlight is the adjustable interior camera lens, allowing drivers to angle cabin coverage perfectly, regardless of mirror placement. Compared to dual-channel alternatives like the standard Viofo A129 Duo or REDTIGER F17, which skip cabin coverage entirely, this triple-camera system provides a critical third angle of legal protection without forcing buyers into expensive 4K setups. It offers exceptional value for money by bundling high-speed Wi-Fi, IR night vision, and storage at an accessible price point. Overall, Uber, Lyft, taxi, and rideshare drivers along with delivery workers and commuters seeking full 360-degree road accountability, will benefit tremendously from this setup. I highly recommend it as a budget-friendly, feature-packed security investment for any professional driver. Number 3. The IIWEY N6 360 degrees 4-channel dashcam is an all-encompassing vehicle surveillance system engineered to eliminate critical blind spots by simultaneously capturing full HD 1080p footage from the front, rear, and both side interior angles. Built to serve as an unyielding witness against side impact collisions, insurance fraud, cabin disputes, and parking vandalism, its primary purpose is delivering true 360-degree legal protection. Key features include a vibrant 3.16-inch IPS display, built-in GPS for real-time speed and route logging, a G sensor for emergency clip locking, and 8 powerful infrared IR night vision LEDs, paired with an f1.8 optical aperture for pitch-black cabin recording. Performance is noticeably elevated by its 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, which delivers blazing transfer speeds up to 20 megabytes per second, allowing users to preview and download bulky multi-channel video files to the free mobile app almost instantaneously. In terms of build quality and unique design, the N6 utilizes multi-directional rotatable side lenses housed within a durable, heat-resistant body, built to withstand extreme summer temperatures without thermal shutdown. Real-life testing reveals impressive clarity in low-light environments, where the IR lamps effortlessly illuminate dark vehicle interiors, while the 24/7 parking surveillance mode reliably logs bumps and movement around the perimeter. Ease of use is exceptional right out of the box, as IIWEY includes a free 128GB microSD card, prying tools, and an intuitive app interface that avoids forced subscription fees. When compared to standard 3-channel competitors like the Viofo A139 series, or legacy 4-channel setups relying on slow 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, the N6 stands out by combining true 4-angle coverage with vastly superior wireless export speeds and bundled high-capacity storage. This makes it an outstanding value for money, saving users from buying separate memory cards or sacrificing side window visibility. Overall, the IIWEY N6 is an indispensable security tool for Uber, Lyft, and taxi drivers, delivery fleets, and safety-minded commuters who park in high-risk areas, and I highly recommend it to anyone seeking complete, high-speed total vehicle security. Number 2. The REDTIGER F17 4K 3-channel dashcam is a premium triple-lens security system designed to provide total vehicle accountability by simultaneously capturing the road ahead, the cabin interior, and the rear view. Engineered primarily for rideshare drivers, family commuters, and road trip enthusiasts, its core purpose is delivering crystal-clear evidentiary protection against collisions, tailgating incidents, and interior passenger disputes. Packed with cutting-edge technology, key features include an Ultra HD 4K front lens powered by Sony's flagship Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, a 2.5K rear camera using the Starvis 2 IMX675, and a 1080p cabin camera supported by 4 infrared IR night vision LEDs and dynamic HDR/WDR contrast tuning. Additional features comprise 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6 for rapid file offloading up to 30 megabytes per second via the exclusive REDTIGER app, hands-free voice control, built-in GPS tracking, G-sensor collision detection, and continuous 24/7 parking surveillance. Build quality feels sleek and high-end, featuring a heat-resistant housing with supercapacitor storage and a responsive 3.18-inch IPS touchscreen interface. A unique design aspect is its multi-axis rotatable front and interior lens assembly, enabling precise angle customization regardless of windshield slope. In real-life scenarios, the F17 performs impeccably. The Starvis 2 optics easily read license plates at highway speeds and under harsh nighttime headlights, while the IR cabin lens captures sharp interior footage in pitch darkness. Ease of use is top-tier, bolstered by straightforward mounting hardware, intuitive menus, and an included high-speed 64GB memory card out of the box. When compared to flagship competitors like the Vantrue N4 Pro, the The REDTIGER F17 matches top-tier video sharpness with its dual Starvis 2 setup, while offering a more user-friendly touchscreen interface and faster wireless app transfers at a noticeably lower price point. This combination of flagship optics, rapid Wi-Fi 6 exports, and reliable low-light processing delivers exceptional value for money without recurring subscription fees. Overall, Uber Lyft operators, fleet drivers, commuters, and car owners parking in high-risk areas will benefit immensely from this all-around monitoring setup, and I highly recommend it as a top-class dashcam investment. Number 1. The Optimus DG2 Live Dashcam GPS Tracker is engineered to bridge the gap between traditional incident recording dashcams and professional-grade telematics fleet security systems. Designed primarily for personal vehicle protection, teen driver monitoring, and small business fleet oversight, its core purpose is providing absolute, remote situational awareness through a blend of real-time GPS tracking and live video streaming. Key features include a 2-channel video setup supporting front and optional interior cameras, 4G cellular connectivity, a robust 3-axis G sensor and gyroscope for motion analysis, and a massive included 256GB SD card capable of storing up to 60 hours of continuous loop footage. In terms of performance, the device shines in real-life tracking scenarios. It immediately pushes instant text or email alerts for harsh driving, speeding, power disconnection, or collisions, allowing users to remotely check live stream feeds or pull event-based clips via the Optimus web and mobile platform. Build quality is sturdy and rated for extreme temperature swings, while ease of use is heavily optimized through flexible power delivery options that include both a plug-and-play OBD2 connector for instant setup and a hardwire cable for permanent 24/7 surveillance. A unique design aspect of the DG2 is its heavy emphasis on cellular-based telemetry integration rather than local Wi-Fi dependence, meaning you can monitor your vehicle globally rather than needing to be parked within range of the device. When compared to consumer-centric competitors like standard Blackview or Viofo models, which usually rely on local smartphone Wi-Fi hotspots for remote viewing and charge extra for external GPS modules, the Optimus DG2 functions as an integrated tracking ecosystem with comprehensive reporting dashboards. Although it requires an ongoing monthly cellular data subscription starting around $24.95, it delivers exceptional value for money for security-conscious owners who need proactive anti-theft tracking over passive recording. Overall, parents, vehicle owners in high-crime areas, and small fleet operators will benefit immensely from the device, and I highly recommend it for anyone prioritizing live remote tracking and instant event notifications above all else. That wraps up our list of the 5 best dash cams with GPS tracking in 2026. Each of these models offers something unique, whether you need crystal clear video quality, advanced safety features, reliable GPS tracking, or excellent value for money. The right choice ultimately depends on your budget and driving needs. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which dashcam you would choose. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.